Okay, so this is with the exhaust cutout open. So it's a LQ4 with flat top Summit pistons, low buck truck cam, true divided exhaust housing to S475 turbo, 4-inch downpipe to the stock exhaust, but I've got a 4-inch cutout. So with the exhaust closed, it's pretty quiet. Kind of just sounds like a stock truck, stock exhaust. And the cutout will open under boost when I have it closed. But it's fun to drive around with it open when it's daytime, you're not in the neighborhood. No one's home now, so I'm not bothering anybody. I've got the over and under on the timing stretched a little bit to give it a little bit more chop. But I've been playing with timing and stuff a little bit. It was even more choppy before. I think I added some base timing, maybe. I can't remember. But it would it needed some tuning to get it to where it wouldn't stumble when I let off the gas coming to a stop. Now it drives around fine. It doesn't ever stall or anything. It was a mixture of the VE table being off and the timing needed adjustment a little bit. Running speed density, obviously. 14 pounds of boost. So, sounds pretty good in person. Like, you can feel it in the ground. It's real bassy, real deep, throaty sounding.